Hello guys, welcome back.
Barilin mo yan. Yan, baril. Baril. Tali. Baril. Baril.
Okay, guys. What all you guys doing in the summer? The summer camp. I'm not gonna tour them. I'm gonna go here. I don't care about them bullying me. I don't care about bullying. What's getting to you? This subject occurred. Subject occurred. The subject occurred for me. That vegan teacher is said God is not real. That's funny right there. No, it's not. Only vegans. See, not all my subscribers saw this. You know the vegan teacher? She hated Christians. I know. It's probably the truth. The truth is, I'm a Christian. I'm a Filipino. Ako ay Filipino. I'm gonna eat some meats later. Tocino. I'm gonna go to 55 miles. It's 50. 55 miles per hour. Let's check. War. Time. I love Brookhaven. Back to the story. I saw this video on the vegan teacher is she said vegans is better than God. He's lazy. No, I don't care. Although I will sing a copyrighted song on this video. No, I'm not gonna sing that song. I love to talk about it. God is sad. See us suffer. Probably true. God is not guiding us our whole entire career or life. You s- you see about the ritual, not the ritual, the Bible. I'm going to go here and go here to the couch, and then I'm gonna lock my door. I will check. I lock the door there. Guys, you want to check the video? Want to check the video? Here we go. Let's go live in Roblox right now. There we go. There. And then press here. Press here. You want to see my reaction? Go in my channel.
Vegans are better than God. That's right. If you know vegan teacher, I'm a Christian.
Subscribe to me.
Vegans are better than God. That's right. Every day, vegans are out there trying so hard not to exploit animals.
Shut up.
When it's time to buy food, they try hard not to pay for any violence. They prefer to eat
Violence. You're cruel. That's everyone hated the vegan teacher. Me too. All this gag on the vegan teacher is the same. Same old, same old. Same. I wish she was quitting on YouTube. I'm happy he's please report her. Please report her. People thought her insane. He's insane. She insane. Let's go in our house. Not I will insane. Probably she didn't know about the populated of meat culture on our world. He wants veggies. Veggies is yummy. I know. I love veggies. I love chicken too. Chicken. Let's see the top priorities of only I'm gonna lock my door. That is graver than always. I will. The vegan teacher is so annoying sometimes. Wish the vegan teacher is scroll up, not scroll, screw, not I have a confession to make. I'm a Christian. I'm working from YouTube. I'm not working on YouTube. All my video is content related kids. Not kids. Not kids. I'm gonna go in basketball. All things bright. I know something is now. No. Oh my frick. I want this. And going here. Wait. I'm going upstairs. I don't want here. Here. I lock the door. I will rush. I will eat meat. I love meat. I love meat with veggies. The vegan teacher not like veggies. Not over here. I will spawn this. Let's go into the bank. Phew. I will drive here. Almost. I will park right over here. Here. Oh. Okay. Laki, natutog ko ka. And like here. Here. Time to donate some money. Come. I'm doing my own eating some. I want to eat some meat today. I will donate it. Here, I'm going to. I will deposit my money. Oh, great. And right there. Cha-ching. Oh gosh. Where's the camera? Uh, mm, 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 mm. I'm not robbing that safe. Okay. I'm going to back in my car. Um, I hate the vegan teacher. I hate the vegan teacher. Although I love that the vegan teacher is not my cruel teacher. My teacher loves meat and salmon, fish meat, beef meat, um, chicken meat, and pork. Ugh, that's that's ugh. I'm not. Hindi ako rereklamo sa inyo. Mamaya. I'm going in. Oh. Here. Wait. I'm going to. I'm going here. I love here. I will drop it. Thank you. This is your money.